In the heart of the haunted time tower, darkness whispered secrets. An unearthly hush enveloped the air. A spectral cat prowled the chilly depths. His fur shimmered like moonlight, a beacon of hope in despair. A sinister presence emerged. Eyes glowed with the promise of peril. Time faltered, spinning in reverse. The walls shuddered with tension. A countdown began, echoing like a drumbeat of doom. Frantic, the ghostly creature grasped the luminous fragments. Each piece hummed with potential, yearning to fit. A flickering sprite buzzed beside him, its voice trembling. A warning about the golden time key rang loud. Suddenly, Metal whirred back to life. Caught in a web of logic and emotion, he paused in confusion. Time spiraled into chaos. Seconds raced away like whispers lost in the wind. A choice presented itself, shimmering like a chance in darkness, to flee or to change their fate. Just as hope ignited, a shadow lunged forward, plans of escape twisted like smoke into the ether. Instead of the past, they chose the future. Light flooded their world, breaking through the murky gloom. They left the tower behind, a past unaltered yet filled with newfound peace. Time continued, unbroken and bright.